Thank y'all. I used to be a lover boy.
What's up, y'all? It's Jaida here, back again with another video. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you guys for watching, and if you are new here, make sure you click that subscribe button. As you can see below, I am doing a hair review on my updated curly texture from Alipearl from AliExpress. This is my second time working with the company, and overall I'm starting to love it. The first time I had the hair, it was a kinky curly texture that was like really tight, but it wasn't what I wanted, and I wanted something more on the loose curl, and this is definitely what I wanted. So I'm very excited. To begin, they sent me a 20-inch frontal, 22 and 2 bundles of 24 inches. It's really long. As y'all know, I love my hair to be super long, and this definitely touches my butt, and if I stretch it, it goes past my butt, and that's what I'm in love with. I haven't put any product in it yet. I haven't decided if I'm going to keep it in its natural state as it is, or if I'm going to give it the more wet look, because I've been getting so many compliments on this hair. I posted it on Instagram, but I don't know. I wish I could do a poll to see what you guys think, but so I've decided that I want to just do my curly hair routine and see if it gives the curls a more wet look. Yes, so let's get into it. So I'm going to put my robe on because this will get wet and I do not want to mess up my outfit. Even though my sleeves will get messed up, but okay, so I don't even care. I don't care. Okay, I don't care, whatever. Okay, so let's begin. I normally take my hair into a couple of sections. I start off and I just spray, and you can put oil and you can put water. I usually mix oil and water, my favorite oils. This is really loose though, so I'm kind of anxious to see how the curls are going to turn out wet, because this isn't really tight at all. So as you can tell, the frontal is actually a little bit different from the bundles. It didn't look like a problem dry, but that is one thing I am noticing. It's not a big issue. Like the cool blue light. Like the cool light. It's really pretty. So I finished combing it out and just getting it wet enough to put some product in it. I haven't even got any hair off my brush, and there hasn't been any shedding whatsoever when I comb it through my hands. So that's something I really love, because when you deal with curly hair, it can be a hit or miss, and I have dealt with curly hair that's like shedding as I'm just combing it out or just even doing anything to it, and that's one thing I'm really happy about. To achieve my wet look for actually a long time, I just use my go-to Indian hemp oil. You can get it from Walmart or you can get it from the beauty supply store, and it's really cheap. It's only like $2, I think. I will be putting it in my description box because I'm not 100% sure about how much it costs, but it is for the low. You don't have to use a lot. I don't normally use a lot, or just about that much for my whole head, but it just depends what you like. It does smell really good. Like, that's one thing that's a bonus about it. You just rub it all in. It's really thick. I just scratch. I'm no hairstylist, but the stuff I do works for me, and maybe it'll work for you. So I'm gonna add a little bit more, and then we should be good. And this also does help your wigs lay flat, like if you have an issue with it, with one of them. But y'all see, like, it gets it like the wet look. Even if it's even a little wet, it's gonna have it looking like this all day, and that's why I love Indian hemp oil. So this is the final look of how I get my curls to look wet and stay wet all the time by just using Indian hemp oil. As you can see, I'm looking real shiny at the top too. So this is the final look of how I get my curls to be in that wet state, and you can see it's looking real shiny at the top by just using Indian hemp oil. I love this product. I done showed you guys in about 3 videos now that I only use this product because it's super affordable and it smells good. Also, I am in love with the hair again. I'm actually like 100% satisfied, because the first time I dealt with this company, I did not want as tight of a curl, and this is definitely what I want. So yeah, make sure you click that subscribe button and click the notification bell for when I upload my next video. Thank you guys.
Yeah.